Every year, millions of tons of soil are lost to erosion, damaging landscapes, crops, and ecosystems. But what if a simple, natural solution could protect the land, restore balance, and grow greener futures? Introducing Coir logs by Phú Hào, biodegradable, sustainable, and built to work with nature. Coir logs are densely packed rolls of coconut coir fiber wrapped in biodegradable mesh netting, made from coconut husks, a byproduct of the coconut industry. They're designed to slow water, trap sediment, and support vegetation. 100% plastic-free, 100% eco-smart. In gardens and farms, coir logs work as natural soil barriers. Use them to edge your raised beds, redirect water gently, or anchor young plants. They gradually decompose, enriching the soil while keeping erosion in check. It's sustainable gardening, without plastic, without harm. For food plots and regenerative farming, coir logs help build living soil, retain moisture, protect microbes, and support root systems, all while maintaining soil structure. Your soil thrives, your yield grows, naturally. Engineers and conservationists use coir logs in riversides, hill slopes, and construction zones. These logs reduce flow velocity, hold soil in place, and promote vegetation regrowth. Used with coir netting or geotextiles, they're a proven technique in nature-based erosion control. No concrete, no pollution, just smart design with natural materials. At Phú Hào, we turn tradition into innovation, crafting world-class coir solutions with pride and precision. With over 5 years in the global market, we've become a trusted supplier of sustainable coir products, from mats to erosion control logs, serving partners across Asia, Europe, and beyond. Ready to protect the earth while growing your project? Choose Phú Hào coir logs. Naturally strong, globally trusted. Contact us today for free samples, catalogs, and expert support.